Hi all, Satish Ulatil from Living Solutions. So today we have the students who have completed the EV battery case API design for safety. It is a program where students have been taught about the very basic evolution on how an lithium-ion battery cell or pack or module is being developed, the various electrochemical properties or the risk assessment, the manufacturing process, what are the different safety features which has been associated in the design of a battery cell. And they have been given few case studies and examples of how an organization have come across a situation to mitigate the problem for an lithium-ion battery pattern incidents. And there have been topics on this program where students have gained their practical knowledge to assess on how a battery cell performs during a vehicle crash and rollover impact studies. So this would give them a very good, strong foundation so as to further develop the concepts towards a BIW or a body in white structural design to mitigate the thermal runaway from a mechanical design point of view. So let's listen to them and see what is their feedback on this program.
My name is Karthik Tiwari. I enrolled in the electric vehicle battery design course under Leeming Solutions. I am currently a third year mechanical undergraduate at IIT Bhubaneswar. And the main motivation for me to take up this course was not to enhance my overall CAD and FEA skills. Apart from that, I also decided to learn a bit of electrical vehicle designing part and battery designing part, as this is one of the major topics trending these days. And so as to stay along with the trend, this course has even motivated me further to go ahead. And this course was very beneficial, especially if someone is interested in thermal designing and battery structural designing. Then he or she must definitely opt for this course. There were various technicalities which we went through. Not only were the sessions conducted very useful and informative, but also the assignments given were in line. Similarly, we had multiple opportunities to go through research websites and various papers such as on Science Direct, ResearchGate platforms, through which we in the assignment part we were able to make CAD models and later conduct an FEA analysis on ANSYS. Overall learning experience was just amazing, and the opportunity was never less in this course, right from understanding the lectures to making studying the battery chemistry, then designing parts with precision and accounting for all the components, then conducting FEA analysis and everything. This course has been totally brilliant in building the base of a student, and I feel very proud enough that I got an opportunity to be a part of this program under Learning Solutions. So I recommend every one of you who is seeing this video to at least give a try if you have interest in thermal designing or FE aspect of battery and electric vehicles. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akhil Govindraj. I'm a mechanical BTech pass out from NIT Bhopal. And first, I'd like to start with how I came about this course. So, basically, during our final exams, which happened in June, we got our a message on the TPO group saying that there's this company named Leeming Solutions, and they're giving a lot of training in various fields like automotive product design. Then there was structural design, lightweighting, and all those things, and electric vehicle battery design. The possible, the defects that you could, that manufacturing defects that could happen. So it was a very useful course altogether. And speaking about the assignments, obviously the assignments were, very industrial level. You have to. They'll give you all the knowledge. They'll give you all the facts, how to do it, and all those things. And you have to just design the product. You have to electric drivetrains. Yeah, definitely, it's a great course. Thank you.
Like I attended it in the last 5 minutes, so I didn't know much of it. So I've gone through the brochure and I got into the course with my friends. So I like the assignments part. Like I did my own research work. So I think this is the first time that I refer to so many research papers because there was not a lot of information that was available. So yeah,
Project in my college regarding electric vehicles, and it was basically about the functioning of it and the hybrid vehicles. So I thought I should delve more into it, like the battery part. So basically, this course was all about the battery design and the safety features. So during the classes initially, as Hemant suggested, like it was like of too much of information and we have to refer ourselves. And but the assignment part was good because we have to do our own work, and especially the analysis part, I was new to it. I did have experience in CAD, but the ANSYS part I started new. So we did few analysis on static structural, and that was really very good. So uh, I basically understood the battery management system, like how this particular electric vehicle works and all different safety features which one needs to take care while designing it. So that's what I learned from this course.
I'm Dhruval Javia, and I'm in my third year of my mechanical engineering program. And yeah, I also got to know about this program from my friends only. So like it was out of interest which I joined like this program. So like basically I got to know about the lithium ion batteries in particular, like an overview of lithium ion batteries, different types of batteries, structure, internal working, and many more things such as various safety mechanisms which are employed and how they are tested in industries, various types of tests. And yeah, finally we were also we were also shown a test like the Samsung battery, what you say, the case study. So how